Hello everybody, welcome to the channel The Spanley by Myth. Today in this video we are going to learn few basic sentences, and apart from this we'll also see and learn the unique way to practice English. So let's get started. मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to Delhi. I'm going to Delhi. तुम दिल्ली कब जा रहे हो? When are you going to Delhi? When are you going to Delhi? तुम दिल्ली कैसे जा रहे हो? How are you going to Delhi? How are you going to Delhi? तुम दिल्ली क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going to Delhi? Why are you going to Delhi? तुम दिल्ली किसके साथ जा रहे हो? With whom are you going to Delhi? With whom are you going to Delhi? इसमें ज़्यादातर मैंने WH सेंटेंसेस को इंक्लूड किया है, जो कि हम लोग डेली लाइफ में पूछते हैं, कब, किसके साथ, कैसे. तो लाइकवाइज हम लोग इसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. जल्दी करो, हमें देर हो रही है. Hurry up, we are getting late. Hurry up, we are getting late. क्या तुम्हें देर हो रही है? Are you getting late? Are you getting late? आज सुबह तुम कितने बजे उठे? When did you wake up this morning? When did you wake up this morning? वो मुझे हमेशा परेशान करती रहती है. She keeps on disturbing me always. She keeps on disturbing me always. क्या वो तुम्हें हमेशा परेशान करती रहती है? Does she keep on disturbing you always? Does she keep on disturbing you always? वो तुम्हें हमेशा क्यों परेशान करती रहती है? Why does she keep on disturbing you always? Why does she keep on disturbing you always? क्या तुम हमारे साथ आना चाहोगे? Would you like to come with us? Would you like to come with us? क्या आप थोड़ा सा आगे खिसकेंगे? Could you please shift a bit forward? Could you please shift a bit forward? So if you really like this video, do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.